in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set your MacBook to set time automatically. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then go down and select System Settings. On the left panel, select the General tab. And then on the right side, scrolling down, select Date and Time. And there should be something that says Set Date and Time Automatically up at the top. If you want to toggle, that's the right to enable, and you may need to enter in your computer password in order to confirm. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.